Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71 and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first let's unlock your device, then click on the phone dialer, go to keypad, and it's time to enter a secret code which is *#0*#. And as you can see now we are in testing mode in which you can test all the features on your phone. Let's start with display by tapping on red. So it's definitely working properly, then green. It's correct as well. Blue, it's also working properly. Then you've got receiver, we can check it right now. As we all can hear, it's working properly. Then vibration, you can hear it, I can feel it, it's working. Also you can check megacam, sensor, touch, speaker. Let me show you the speaker test. It's working properly. Then you can also check sub key, front camera, grip sensor, black. It's also for display, so let me show you because you don't click on the middle of the screen, but just tap on the power key to switch off. Black display. Then also you can come along with Hall IC, look back, and also version. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily test your device. You can use secret code and then test all the features. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.